Hi, I'm Ted Clouser, CEO of PCA Technology Solutions. If you're here, chances are your IT team is doing their best, but they're stretched thin. You've got tickets piling up, projects that keep getting pushed, and maybe even a few sleepless nights. Let's fix that. Co-managed IT is a partnership between your in-house IT team and our team here at PCA. We're not here to take over. Your IT team stays in control. We're here to back them up with the tools, expertise, and extra hands they need to get the job done. If you've got an internal IT team, but not enough time, people, or bandwidth, co-managed IT is exactly what you need. With co-managed IT, you get around-the-clock help desk support, access to senior-level engineers when you need them, and the peace of mind that comes with real-time cybersecurity monitoring. We help your IT team do more without burning out. The process is easy. We sit down and look at your current IT setup. We create a customized plan that leverages your team's strengths. We get to work without disrupting your day-to-day. We keep working with you side by side every step of the way. You stay in charge. We've just got your back. Look, I've been doing this for a long time. I'm a CISSP. I've seen what happens when IT teams lack the necessary support. With co-managed IT, you're not adding overhead, you're adding strength. You get enterprise-level service without hiring dozens more people. It's not just smart, it's sustainable. Let's make IT a strength in your business, not a stress point. If you're curious about how co-managed IT could work for your team, let's have a conversation.